Introducing the Omaxamo Scalpel. It offers innovation in a sleek and practical design. It is made in Australia from carbon fibre, stainless steel, optional titanium, and black iron bonded titanium. The scalpel blade is fitted by sliding it through the slot of the holder, and the spring-like nature of the blade clicks it into place. The utilization of pliers simplifies this process. Once the blade has been deployed, it is firmly locked in place due to the tight tolerances the handle has been built with, and only the activator can unlock it. For safety, the internal spring mechanism allows the blade to pierce a sheet of paper mid-deployment, but not the body when covered by clothing. If the travel of the blade is obstructed before it is locked in place, it can easily be reset to a locked position, and only the activator can release it. Scalpel blades are the definition of sharp, hence their use in surgery. Besides their superior sharpness, many are under 2 inches in length, making them legal in most areas, and for those areas where they are not, such as aeroplanes, the blade itself can simply be disposed of instead of the entire knife. Each blade only costs around 50 cents and can be purchased at medical supply stores globally or online. The pen lid features a red laser and a hardened crown-shaped top for emergency glass breaking. The Omaxamo Scalpel has been designed to be used in conjunction with Swann Morton Fitment No. 3 and 4 scalpel blades. There is also a hobby blade variation. The pen can be refilled with a standard ink cartridge, and the emergency glass breaking laser pen lid can be recharged wirelessly. The 2 models to choose from are a multifunction pen and a standard utility knife with an ergonomically designed cylindrical activator with anti-slip dimples improving the grip for the user.